time passing by slowly fades away. I've been trying not to make all the same mistakes. We weren't always set in stone, but I know I took too long with this love. Yeah, I'd rather be alone, cause I am right where I belong, still holding on. I need you in 1,000 ways, still dreaming while I'm wide awake. They tell me I'm insane, cause you don't feel the same, but I just stay another day. I need you in 1,000 ways, still dreaming while I'm wide awake. They tell me I'm insane, cause you don't feel the same, but I just stay another day. Can't deny all the chances I didn't take, but I survived without the promises you didn't make. I know we weren't always set in stone, but I know I took too long with this love. Yeah, I'd rather be alone, cause I am right where I belong, still holding on. I need you in 1,000 ways, still dreaming while I'm wide awake. They tell me I'm insane, cause you don't feel the same, but I just stay another day. just don't know why. Painting a picture that I can't see. This falling from grace got me on my knees. Just looking for some meaning. Velvet sky, I don't think I can do this. But before I die, I wanna make a difference. She said, don't you cry, your heart won't fly, but the clock is ticking still. The velvet sky, I gotta make a difference. When I rest my head, shut my eyes to sleep. It's when my thoughts turn red, crushing my beliefs. Can't escape, so I just push forward, tugging on these chains. Frozen state, living inside this hurt. Sometimes life is pain. Velvet sky, I don't think I can do this. But before I die, I want.
Let's go. Let's go. It's Friday. What's going on, everybody? I hope you enjoyed the sounds of trading. The beeps, the boops, the dings, and the 5-minute time frame. Designed mostly for crackheads and people who are way too zoomed in. What's going on, everybody? It is Friday. I am here. You are here. We took yesterday off. All I did yesterday was think about streaming, though. Like, I was like, I'll relax. I've been going hard. Give myself like a day off. All I did was think about streaming, stressed about not streaming. And then I got some work done on our course. I talked to you guys about our channel and how we've never really been able to cater to brand new people well. We do very high level, advanced, kind of jargony sounding analysis, and new people join and probably have no idea what's going on. So we have started, actually, I want to say completed a course on WAP, on WAP.com. It's just like Udemy or Patreon, something like that. Right now, it's still kind of just about ready to be launched. The link's in the chat. It's in the description. It's pinned. You can check it out. What we're really doing now is settling on what we're offering here. There's going to be a very basic membership for like brand new people, maybe like $30 a month. And that's going to be just all of the new walkthrough intro day zero kind of stuff. And you know what? I can talk about this all day. Why don't I just, I want to give you guys just a little bit of a sneak peek here. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? So we are here. You'll find us on WAP. Very streamlined, sleek looking marketing. It's great, but that's really not why you would go here. So for the brand new people course, check this out. This took a lot of work. Shout out to everybody who helped. Look at this. Introduction. What is cryptocurrency? Emerging asset class. Get rich quick, starting with Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Blah, 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 blah. Like 30 freaking Bitcoin intro understanding, because I always tell you guys, I think that is how you build your foundation of success here, is starting with understanding Bitcoin, understanding the space, and that helps you get a leg up. Altcoins, you can't see the rest down here. Altcoins, crypto scams, I can't even get out of the way here. There is like 100 modules. I think we cut it down though, we combined some. There were originally 100 modules just for the beginner course. Then we have our comprehensive guide. This is the advanced course. All kinds of goodies, all kinds of goodies. A lot of work went into this. The real thing though is, and this is this is what we're building in the background, a Discord experience for this. So my plan is, as this grows, is to offer more and more and more in the Discord, such as I'm going to try to get some analysts to do regular weekly streams exclusively in the Discord just for these people. I want it to be like a one-stop shop, fully inclusive from day 0 to advanced trading. I want it to be the best product out there for this. So I'm probably going to need your help over time as we build this out. I'm going to need your help on where value would be, what you want to see in something like that, etc. So you can check it out for now. You can sign up. There is a wait list for early bird signups, but more to come on that in a little bit. So let's jump into the charts. Let's jump into the chat. I got my shill out of the way. Like the stream. That's right. I need my BTC. Like the stream. Do it. How many do we have? I didn't even look. What's up, Reginald? How you doing, man? The beeps, the bleeps, and the sweeps. I loved Spaceballs. What a good movie. What a great movie. Too much chew. It's gum. Got a little bit of this gum. Joe Rogan was yelling about it. They don't, I had to pay for it. They didn't sponsor us. Neuro gum. It's all right. I can't say that like I've noticed anything. It's just got caffeine in it. Maybe I'll pop another one later. It's helping me. This is like day 20 no vape, guys. Day 20 no nicotine. Let's go. I'm doing it with your help. All of you out there addicted to nicotine, I was there. Maybe I still am. Hopefully I'm getting out of it, but I've escaped, or am escaping the clutches of nicotine. You can do it, my friends. You can do it. I did it. You can do it. It's possible. It's possible. I was smoking 50 mg, like the 5% nicotine, Nick salt juices, very addictive all day, every day. I've gotten away from it. I've gone to the gym every single day, and turning that addiction into maybe something a little healthy and good for me. Feeling good, doing good. What about you guys? You're smoking a joint? Hey, nothing wrong with that. I'm still blazing it. Do we have 420 likes? I'm sure we don't. Hopefully on Friday we can get 420 likes. Get our blazing license for the weekend. It's been a while. Pretty fly for a rabbi. I am not a rabbi. What's up, Eamon? What's up, Bud Man? How you doing, Bud Man? Gonna get new lungs? That's fine. Robot lungs may be coming out soon. Nicotine is a neurotropic. Isn't this supposed to be a neurotropic? Whatever this is. L-theanine? L-theanine? Theanine? T-H-E-A-N-I-N-E. Thynine? I don't know. We need weed through that. Which broker would I recommend for crypto? Kendall. There are many. It depends on where you are. I have lots of them in the video description below. If none of them tickle your fancy, there are more in the Discord. Discord.gg/TomCrown. Jump over there. Join us. It's in pre-workout now. All right. I thought it was like a neurotropic. I thought it was something good for my brain, but maybe not. Poop butt exchange for sure. Hey, nobody can talk anything bad about poop butt exchange. It's shitty, but you know that getting into it. Every time you do a typical habit without smoking, you slowly rewire your neurons to not think about smoking. Brother in addiction, I feel you there. There have been so many triggers for my vaping that I had no idea were even triggers. And I'm slowly addressing them, slowly getting beyond them. I'm trying to replace those kind of urges with good, healthy stuff. The one thing I will say is I'm overeating. I'm definitely overeating after cutting out nicotine, but I'll take it for now. I'll take it for right now. You got Fartcoin on there on the poop butt exchange? Of course you do, Brody. You're just trolling at this point. You know that. FBTC chart. We'll take a look at Ethereum. I've got that pulled up. I've got a few charts pulled up. Quitting smoking was the hardest quitting smoking is the hardest. Is it to begin not smoking? But after a few days, you feel so much better. Oh, dude, I feel infinitely better. You guys certainly have noticed my overall vibe having quit. I I don't think it's the only factor, but I'm telling you right now, my mind, my body, everything feels better. I was putting so much nicotine into me all day, every day. Nicotine is, I don't think by itself that bad of a thing. It's like caffeine. But how much I was doing all day, every single day, from the moment I woke up to the moment I went to sleep, was not good for me. And it is very much an inflammation triggering chemical. So your whole body just inflamed all the time, dude. My joints, I was having joint problems. Stop the nicotine, they're gone. My joints feel fine. Actually, I just hurt myself in the gym. Anybody know what this is? Like, say you got the shoulder and this is bone, right? It's like a little plate right underneath here. It almost feels like a pain that goes down. I don't know what I did. I squatted yesterday and somehow I have shoulder pain. What is that? Nicotine itself is not that bad, I agree. We'll get into the chart here. We got the chart. How does everybody feel now? What's up, Durart? Joining us as the first subscriber in the stream. Welcome, my friend. Taking the scribe virginity. Pinch nerve, rotator, AC tendon. Dude, I don't know, man. It's not fun, but like I didn't do anything with it. AC joint. I didn't do anything with it. I just like woke up and I was like, oh, shit. And then I went to the gym and I did like some army stuff. Arms. Felt all right. Gonna watch a stream through the glasses. Do it. You can. That's the thing. It's like a glassesception. You can like watch the charts on the stream, on the sunglasses, on the charts. Slept weird. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping. If it's not better by like I don't know, by Monday, I'll figure it out. What's up, Ruth? How you doing? Brendan, digital asset DJ, and busted your kneecap. My knee's feeling great, actually. God, I hope it's not my rotator cuff, John. I hope it's not. We're getting old. That is true. Shout out to all my millennials out there getting old. And shout out to all of the Gen Z that found their way here. This is your future. You will be like us in like just, I don't know, 5-10 years. It's okay. When you get a chance, can I have your thoughts on BONK? We can look at BONK. It's been a bit. World of Wonders. What's up, Crypto Needs Red Bull? Sciatica. No, you guys are getting me paranoid. Getting me paranoid. Start to charapuka. I don't know what that means. I might have just said something really bad in a different language. YouTube, I don't know. I just repeated what someone typed. Best cryptos for now. Bitcoin, Dylon, Bitcoin. Gen X. Recheck Samo. I just closed that chart earlier. Just did earlier. You know, I like this little like chat box in the background. I'm digging it. I like having it up. The problem is I can't really, I can't have it up and then click the chart. So I have an idea. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm going to add it here. I like having your guys chatting up on the stream. There we go. Not in front of my face though. That's going to have to, there we go. Put that in the back there. Chat box going on back there. There we are. There you go. Now you guys are over here. Guess the sponsor banner is like kind of annoying. We'll get rid of that for now. Big changes coming on this channel. BT Dubs. What's up, Muhammad Ali? Great name. Welcome. Great name. Good to have you, my friend. If you are out there, I see 400 votes on this poll. 12% of you, now let's say about 20%, have been in crypto less than a year. If you are one of those people, can you put a message in the chat? I'd love to welcome you to our community. Love to. Thiamine is the same as caffeine. That's in tea. Fair enough. I just started the creatine again. Guys, if you want to go back to the gym, here's the 2 life hacks. Food. You need to look at your food. You need to eat more. You need to eat more protein. And then number 2 is creatine. There you go. I guess number 3 would be like steroids, right? But all natural, baby. All natural. Bitcoin moving exactly like last year. Josh, you just threw me the best softball. Let's get into it. Let me do a little bit of the chart. I didn't hear anyone say they're new. It's okay. Don't be shy. We were all new at one point. You're allowed to be new. In fact, you may feel embarrassed or something, but know how lucky you are to be new and to be here. And Bitcoin's not at its Pico bull run top. The fact that you have started crypto and Bitcoin is not at its Pico bull run top is so lucky. I would say 99% of people start crypto at the very, very, very top. The like absolute top. Bicep, tricep, supersets for days. Hell yeah. Creatine, liquid IV, dude. Creatine is the shit though. Oh, dude, it is. Yeah, you're wasting time lifting without it. Wait, so charts. Get into the chart. Exactly, Sticks. We're shooting the shit, man. Here we go. I'm gonna turn a little tune on for me. That's nice and quiet. Shouldn't be too loud for you guys. Just a little background. Exactly, Nathan. All right, so Bitcoin is moving exactly like it did last year. If you've been tuned into this channel, you probably would be looking for this. I mean, let's be real. We placed this projection. We placed this, I want to say around here, November 24th. But we had been talking about this concept, about Bitcoin repeating this same price action. We had talked about this and followed this. Honestly, I want to say right into the start of November, maybe even potentially at the end of October. Bitcoin has literally repeated last year's price action, like almost to the T. It's kind of insane here. So in a big picture, without getting into every detail, we look back to last year, the start of last year, from January to March, big old rally, really the same thing from January to March, exactly the same price action, almost same idea happened this year from January to March. It peaked out in March, the same as it did the year before, and then traded sideways all summer, roughly 6 months, 7 months of nothing before blasting off. And you'll never guess when it blasted off last year, right here, October 23. If you look at the chart, we spent months and months and months looking at this stuff. You'll find so many similarities. You got like the golden cross on the day. The same thing happened again this year in this consolidation. It helped or led us out of it. Ichimoku cloud. Like, I'm not even going to do all of them. There are infinite technical similarities between October of last year and this year. We blasted off the same here into November and started painting this exact pattern. To me, this looks like an ascending channel. Typically, we would look for this to break to the downside. However, last year, we did the same thing in the exact same time. From October into November, we painted this ascending channel. We said this typically breaks to the downside, and it did not. So we've taken this price action, we've copied it, and we've superset or laid it over the price action now. And it is remarkable. Absolutely remarkable. I have a cleaner one. Let me find it right here. Is it right here? Bitcoin clean, Bitcoin clean. No, that's the same thing. Here, wait, hold up. I placed it over Coinbase because Coinbase had much cleaner price action. Here it is. I did this for you guys as homework over the week. Here we are. When we do it over Coinbase versus Binance, it looks a lot better. It looks much more in play. This wick still holding on to the pattern, still painting higher lows. And bros, look where we are on the day right now. We have a bullish engulf. We closed, I think, Wednesday was like the highest close ever on the day. Yesterday, we had a little sell-off, a little shaking of the bulls after a wick high. And here we are on the day. Friday, looking to close traditional markets. Bitcoin currently in a bullish engulf. And what does this pattern suggest? What does our fractal suggest the next move is? We painted the higher lows. Boom. We're looking for that move to the upside. Now, I think it helps a lot to hide the candles. Boom. To see just how similar this is. We had our rally here into November, higher low. Basically sending lows with a flat top. And here's what really gets me. This is a part of it that I really enjoy and really builds confidence, is right here, December 5th, we had a higher high. When this was placed, literally this pointed to December 5th being the very first time we broke 100K, and even suggested that no, we didn't continue running. We trickled back down for a higher low before moving higher. So what happened? Exactly December 5th, we broke 100K, trickled back down, painted the higher low. This pattern is phenomenal. We very much, or very well may, be following this exact projection. Here's what it would look like, and we've been talking about it for a while. If this continues, this is where we're at, boys. If this continues, we are looking for about 120,000 into the end of the year. That could happen literally into the end of the year, like December 31st, or we might see this play out like January in the first week. here is the part where I would pay attention. This suggests we move up towards about 20K. Maybe we overshoot it a little bit. And then into January, following that same price action, we may see our first real retracement, our first real sell-off in the bull market. I know a lot of you freaked out December 5th. That wasn't a real sell-off. That was just a, I don't know, a leverage flush, a little wick action. This is looking like maybe the first actual retracement, the first real downside move. This doesn't say that the bull run's over. This is just the first pullback similar to last year. And that would be, I mean, just by the projection, about 21%. Maybe we trade a little below 100, move to like 120, 130, back down below 100. But either way, if we're looking at this to continue, we have a lot more upside ahead. And we might even infer that by March of next year, by March, we may have wanted to lock in some of them gains, right? By the end of Q1 2025, probably looking to lock in some of those gains, let's say. Here we go. So let's overset this. This is very rough. And remember, guys, this is not perfect. This is just like a blueprint, an idea. This is not to be like exactly traded or exactly expected, but this is not out of the realm of even, I'll say, realism. Realistically, this could happen by March, and you'll see the timing again going to be the same. By March of next year, we could see about $175,000 Bitcoin. I think this is a logical upside target. Unfortunately, at some point we're gonna have to break. We can't just forever repeat this, though. That would be interesting. If we do just do the exact same price action as last year again, we would look then for a very boring summer after March's high, maybe around 170, 180K, 6-7 months of sideways, and then what? Likely the end of the bull run. End of the bull run into Q4 of 2025. We just started it. We're already looking for the end, right? This is where I would look. So if you're wondering, where will the bull run end? The end of Q1 next year. I think that is probably the first high of the run. And then Q4 of next year. This would fit the 4-year cycle. It would make everything look the same again. Everyone's saying this time is different, would get wrecked as they always do. I think this is right. Let me do one more thing. So where do I think we're going? I think we're going to see that diminishing return rhetoric get blasted out of the water. I think we're going to have a much bigger cycle high than last time, than in 2021. Here's what I'm looking for. Using our fib tool, even our just bar pattern here, looking at around that 175, 180 area. That is our 1618. I think that is a beautiful target. Beautiful target to be looking for. Beautiful target to look to lock in some profit if you haven't locked in any on the corn. You know, I spilled some wine on this keyboard and now it's like wrecked. Son of a bitch. The keys are all sticky. I hate sticky. 170 by the end of Q1. What do you think? Possible, not possible? I'll change the pull up in just a second. I'll change the pull up. About 20%, still about a year in. This makes sense. 4+ years, about half our viewership makes sense to me. That's pretty normal. Pretty normal for us in our community. About a third, 1 to 4 years. Right on, boys. Right on. What's up, Love Jeep? Life going hard on you, but clean Tom and Bitcoin making your day. My guy. My guy, happy Friday. Happy Friday. Hope everybody's having a good one. That was the intro. That was the little intro. I don't know. That was the intro. Let's go to just some analysis here really quick. Following up on Wednesday. Wednesday, we placed 2 longs. It looked actually like this on Wednesday. Neither had filled. Check this shit out. Go back. You can go back and watch the stream, boys. This is a double banger. We hit 2 longs on the same stream. They filled individually, took profit individually. 1, 2, back to back. Let's go. We have been absolutely on fire. Absolutely on fire with these trades lately. I hope you guys are killing it. Please don't blindly copy my trades, but I hope you're killing it out there. Make sure you're tuning in to every stream. You don't want to miss this alpha. You don't want to miss these setups. They come and go, baby. And They don't stick around. They do not stick around. We're going to need to update this chart a little bit. So let's view the damage. What do we got here? Bitcoin, 101,175. That was the number to beat. In fact, the number on Wednesday that we called for, we got. Now still in play. Absolutely still in play. I'm going to change this up a little bit. We have an open fair value gap on the day at exactly 100K. I'm looking for a close above 101. Give us a close above 101. Our analysis remains the same from Wednesday. I said we have closed or looking to close above 101,000. There is no resistance of significance above us other than the all-time high. So I called for a retest of the all-time high, 104,000. I think we're doing that today or over the weekend. It seems inevitable at this point. It seems absolutely inevitable that we're moving up there. Let's go down to the 12-hour. What do we got? Money flow kind of weaker than I'd expect here. At the moment on the 12, I could see a little head and shoulders-ish pattern build. Maybe a flat bottom with descending highs. Looking for a breakdown. The chart's upside down, so break up. A little cup handle. I don't know, whatever you call it. Either way, this higher low below resistance, I think, is really, really setting this chart up for more explosive upside. The daily, the daily's still climbing. What's up, Christoph Grabner? How you doing, my friend? I see you subscribing. Welcome, Christoph. All right, 12. Let's go down again. Anything I'm missing here? Nice 6-hour close above resistance. Let's go. 6-hour beautiful momentum, beautiful money flow. Yeah, boys. I think today we could hit 104,000. Today. I don't know about during the stream, but today. Let's go. This 2-hour close. Nice. Where does the stream started? This closed very up. Going down to the 1 hour. What do we got on low time frames? Momentum building, money flow building. I don't hate it. Definitely could see a return to 101.7. Could see something like that. That would be nice and healthy. That could happen in the next daily candle even. To see this 101,000. I got to figure out how I'm going to say these numbers. 101,175. To see that back tested on a daily time frame would be pretty normal, pretty reasonable. Maybe it looks something like this. Maybe we do move up to 104 today or into this weekend. Maybe we come back down and we test this resistance as support, right? Boom, higher low, boom. Continue to higher highs. Absolutely. What? Dude, the keyboard is so sticky and buttons are staying down. I actually spilled the wine on it like 2 nights ago, but it just got sticky like this morning. Maybe the humidity is right. I don't know. What's up, Cube Chars LP, my friend? Welcome. Welcome, friends. We're just going through Bitcoin. We're going to get into some alts. Say hello in the chat. What's up, Crypto Arrow? Left field. Do I think Sailor's going to buy more? Yeah, he's going to buy more. Sailor's a absolute mad lad, bro. Absolute mad lad. He's not done. Hour. Okay. Let me check out some of these like lower time frames. Just get a little feel. 45-minute actually a little heavy here. Maybe 101 is in our future. I think a back test of that number would definitely not be a bad thing. 30, 15. Nice and up. 5. Ooh, 5 is trucking though, man. Look at this beauty. This beauty. Money flow hitting higher highs here. A little short term downside. I think that could be pointing to that 101 range. Let's see what we got. Can we go 3 for 3 or is that too greedy? Might be too greedy. What's up? Oh, there you are. Miss Pelt Youth. You were here earlier. Appreciate you subscribing. Aaron says testing 102 soon. Absolutely. I agree. I grizzle. Actually, we just did really in this hour. So I could see like a scalp position here, 101, 175, just back to this high at 102.5. This would be like intraday for today though. I don't think I would be looking for this exact trade if this plays out. I think I would change it up. So I'm going to say kind of conditionally for today, maybe intra-stream looking for this. If we do fail the highs, especially if something like this happens, we move up to 104 over the weekend and we reject right here, 98.7. I think that this would be a very solid entry. I think that would look really good on the charts. It would flush out new longs. It would bait in late longs at 104K, drop it down under 100 again, bait in shorts and run liquidity up. I think that would be par for the course. I might be looking too far down though, because man, oh man, I think we got more upside coming today, friends. I think we are still moving to 104. I think it's coming today. I don't think there's any way around it. We'll see. You're unbreakable. Can you guys even hear the music? It's all right. How so? You were a Bitcoiner back then? We're all Bitcoiners, baby. What's up, Hendo? Imagine seeing those scam XRP ads and sending them your crypto. Yeah, Hendo, you know, you're not the first person. I guess someone else. Guys, did you get a scam ad like from YouTube when you joined this stream? Like an XRP thing? If you did, put a 1 in chat right now. I want to know how common this is. Because, man, I don't know if there's shit I can do about it, but I'll try. You did? Oh my God. That many? Holy shit. You're for sure shadow banned? No, I'm not, bro. We got 1,000 live viewers. How would we be shadow banned? That doesn't make sense. You're for sure shadow banned. Here's the jam. I'm gonna try. Could you guys try maybe refreshing the stream or something? Try to get that ad again. And when you get the ad, there's a little info button and you'll be able to get like the URL for the ad. Someone send me that on Discord. Send me that URL because I can block that channel from serving ads on this channel specifically. That's beat though. I get them a lot. Yeah, dude. I get it. I have YouTube Premium. Honestly, YouTube Premium is the best subscription I pay for. The best subscription. Better than YouTube. Better than Netflix. All of it. I can't believe so many of you are, dude. Yeah, X is full of them. That's true. You have an ad blocker? Good. So here, let me rant about this. Then we will go to some altcoin charts. So there are new people here. And even not new people fall for scams. Guys, there is no such thing as anyone doubling your crypto. This is a scam that is as old as crypto is on the internet, on social medias. It doesn't matter if there's 50,000 people watching the stream commenting, I just got my money doubled. No, dude, it's all bots. It's all an illusion. It is an illusion. No one can double your money in crypto. Crypto is finite. Like, it is not going to happen. Do not send anyone money that is promising you any kind of return. There's no such thing in this space. Those scams are absolutely everywhere, and we can all laugh and say, who would ever be dumb enough to fall for that? But guys, very smart people fall for this kind of shit. They only fall for it once, but once is sometimes enough to knock them out. Do not send your crypto to anyone under any promise of return in any scenario, not just these scammy Brad Garlinghouse, Elon Musk, Sailor giveaway things, guys. Please, please do not do it. Maniac Killer, you can say that. He said, Maniac says, if someone falls for that, man, you're something else. You can say that, dude, but I'm telling you, very smart people fall for scams. They're not falling for them over and over and over again, but they start crypto. They don't have any real idea of how it works. They see, oh, this channel has 50 bajillion subscribers and there are 20,000 people watching this live stream and people are commenting saying it works. I'm telling you, smart people fall for it. People in here might fall for it. Be aware. It's never going to happen. There is no such thing under any circumstance. Also, anyone who randomly DMs you with a crypto opportunity, it's a scam. Even if it says it's Tom Crown, has my picture, it's a scam. And if it says it's Michael Saylor and has her picture, it's a scam. You gotta stay away from scams. And actually, in our course, in the course that is like soft launching, there is a whole section on scams. That's how important it is when you begin crypto, or even when you're not so doing crypto. There is a whole section on scams for this exact reason. I don't know if you can see it behind me. Right there. Crypto scams, right here. There's a whole section. It's one of the biggest sources of failure in crypto, guys. It's crazy. There are very smart people that I know that have been in this community who have lost money to this stuff. Don't laugh and think it can't happen to you because you're too smart. Don't do that. Accept that you will have people try to scam you, and just be aware and be vigilant. That's it. What's up, MS Rayo, my friend? Good to have you. I see you subscribing. Who else is gonna subscribe? This guy, Fat Tony. Fat Tony has come into our streams twice, and all he's ever said is that we're shadow banned. You're definitely shadow banned, man, he said today. Yeah, for sure shadow banned. And then on one other stream, he's come in and said, I think you're shadow banned. Fat Tony, why do you think I'm shadow banned, brother? What would it, like, I don't know. What would drive you to that? I mean, look at this viewership. The viewership has gone up. If we're shadow banned, I mean, people are still finding us. We went from 950 viewers 10 minutes ago to 1,100 now. I don't know, dude. You guys are wild. You guys are wild and so wild and sussy. Whoa. Oh, Dusty was trying to send the URL. Guys, if you can get the URL of the scam ads being served on our video before you join the live, join Discord and like ping me or something. Don't send it here. Don't send it, I guess, in the Discord. The mods might ban you because I think you're a bot. In a world of Toms, don't be a Tony. That's funny. No shadow ban. I don't know. Dude, Prud Huvi Billasanti. I don't know what you're saying, dude, but it's in a different language and everything you say is being held for review. I wonder if you're like saying bad stuff. I don't know. What's up, Ruth? Try not to trade when you're tired. Good idea. Or when you're intoxicated. Don't do it. 101010. Is Discord paid? No, the Discord's free, man. Discord.gg/TomCrown. It is in the video description. It's pinned to the top of the chat. It's free. What's up, Wolfpack? How you doing, bro? All right, let's get into some alts. Bitcoin, I think, still looking for higher highs today. If you think Bitcoin's hitting higher highs today, man, smash that like button. Subscribe. Join the crew. Let me see here. Shadow banned. 307 likes with 1,000 watching. Those are rookie ass numbers. Let's get them up. Can I double your 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐿? I mean, it's worthless, so maybe. What's up, DJ Meat Missile? Stupid question, but Bitcoin rechases in mid-January. Do you expect altcoins to dump with it? Absolutely. Shall we look at some other charts? Tread is activated. I don't know what that means. Shadow banned. Batoshan, bro. We used to deal with that. What is a shadow ban? Honestly, it's something that really doesn't happen on YouTube anymore. It's just like if you're live streaming, maybe you like it isn't showing up. YouTube isn't serving it like on home pages or subscription feeds. It's not really something that happens anymore. It can, but it's very, very uncommon. Most of the time, people think they're shadow banned. They're not. Gas, long filled, still waiting for this to play out to 20 cents. Not really a lot going on there. May have an entry right here, though. We'll have to check back in on CAS at a later time. I'm just going to go through and close some charts so we're a little more organized today. GALA still trucking from 1.4. Looking for 8.6 cents. That's what I'm looking for. Boom. Beautiful SR flip here on GALA. Beautiful entry. Our scalpy position actually just closed yesterday for 31%. For those of you looking for more, looking for that upside, 8.672 cents. Definitely the play. Save that and move on. Let's go to Solana. People are asking about it. I'm gonna look at Solana versus Bitcoin first. XRP up or down today? We'll do XRP next, Red. We'll do it next if you subscribe. I want to see more subscribers like 𝐂𝐴𝐻 subscribing. Absolute Truth. What's up, brother? Welcome. When you subscribe while we're live, this will roll over. Your name will pop up. We'll shout you out. I'll welcome you to our fam. It's a very good deal. Cost you nothing. Absolutely nothing. Solana against Bitcoin on the month. Okay. So obviously a pretty gross red candle. Down 11% against Bitcoin this month. However, still holding its lows from, well, the last few months in general. I'm skeptical, man. I kind of am thinking this breaks down now. This is reminding me of what everything else does. All the coins against Bitcoin, they hit their all-time high valuations. They go through a bear market and they just never seem to make it back to those highs. So that does not mean that it cannot go up in dollar value, but it isn't necessarily or directly suggesting bullishness to me. Let's put it that way. On the day, we are right back to our entry, 222 on Solana. $222 filled a while ago. In fact, filled with all the other charts, really. So many other charts. So many better positions on the pullback were made. Solana kind of failing to follow through here. Let me clean up this chart a little. What do we see? We see lower highs. Not the best look. You don't want lower highs. You want higher highs, baby. You want to get higher highs. Let's do it actually as a channel, because this is really what I see. Something like that. Descending channel. So not the end of the world. Descending channel back to support usually is a decent setup for a bounce. Maybe 198 is still it though. Been looking for that for a while. 210. Actually, here I'm having some thoughts. 210 was our high in March. You do have a nice bullish reaction to it. The only issue obviously is no higher high. You're stuck in this, right? If we see one more breakdown, I have very high confidence that $198 or $200 will bounce price back like at least to like 230, 250, something like that. Good news is you have tested that. You have seen bulls come in. Wow, these sticky buttons are driving me nuts. All you need now is a higher low. That could be right here. We are back to the entry. 222 is a significant level. Traded above it. We need to see it hold. We need Solana to maybe move up to 240. You can move back to 222 then. Something like this. You can start painting out an inverse head and shoulders on top of this ugly descending pattern that you've already painted. This is what I think is kind of Solana's way out of the gutter. If it does not make it out, if it cannot hold this low, I think she's going to 198. 198 likely the entry there. Bullish path would look maybe something like this. Here we go. We've just been waiting, man. This thing is just stair-stepping down. There you go. Two paths. A tale of two towers, of two towns, two roads, whatever it is. Let's look at the indicators here. You do have some bullish divergence, question mark. Yeah, a little bull div on your low there for the day. Daily money flow. Momentum or oscillators, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. That is a pretty ugly bearish divergence on our high though. Solana back to all-time high. Look at that. Look at that weekly RSI, barely even overbought. You could read this in two ways. The bearish take, well, you have some nasty bearish divergence on the week. That's not good. That'd be the bearish take. The bullish take would be, okay, well, your RSI is back to 60. You have a lot of gas. You have a lot of fuel, potentially, to match those highs again. If you are a Solana bull, that's what you want to see. You want to see this RSI getting ripped into overbought. Unfortunately, there's really just no way to know what's going to happen. Is it going to play out that bearish divergence, or does it just have room under, room under the hood or whatever? We'll find out as time goes on. I think 208 really was probably the entry. 222 might have been a little ambitious. We had just gone to all-time high. Like it was just felt like the time to be ambitious, right? Let me get back to the chat here. This is some of our older TA. Still looks good. Still looking good. This is blanked. I don't need this. XRP. We'll do XRP next. Give me a sec. We'll do XRP next. I want to check back in on the corn. The corn looks like it's making some progress. Potentially to the entry here. We just closed another hourly candle. What's up, John Doe giving up kid? John Doe's giving up kid? What's up, brother? Rad Parkour. Hardcore Parkour. What's up, bro? Welcome, new fams. Good to have you. Let me get back to the chat. Cardano, XRP, Samo, XRP, Brett, Samo, Link. Yeah, Link, I think is doing some stuff. Mara and Riot buying up Bitcoin now, right? Just bought 500 million worth. I think they bought $1 billion worth last week. Can I check Tron? Yeah. I'll check Brett and I'll check Tron. I guess I'll check RSR as well, because I saw you asking that in the beginning. We looked at Caspa briefly, brother, already. There wasn't much going on. It might be at an entry though. You might be able to take a long there. Let's see. Where are you guys getting these coins from? Virtual, whatever virtual is, it's up 20% today. ONDO, we're gonna have to take a look at. I'm gonna pull that over. ONDO, definitely. XRP. I'm not really feeling this music. Are you guys? I'm really feeling it. I'm gonna change it up. Maybe this will be better. Would appreciate if I could check Tao, Anthony T. What's up, bro? Secret, AVAX, Pepe. Well, we can't do all of them. We can't do every single request, guys. You see how many requests we just got in this 1 second, right? Can't do them all. I'm going to do my best to do the ones that make sense. Maybe we can look at all of them. We'll see. Bitcoin, are you going to fill this along live? Let's go, bro. LFG. LFG, let's go. Fill it. It looks like it. I think this fills. I think it fills while we're live right now, right here. YOLO. 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 PEPE, Cetus. We got a lot of requests. $1 possible for Caspa. What? Oh wait, Caspa's in cents. I don't know. One thing at a time, bros. One thing at a time. Let's check back in on XRP. I know you guys love your XRPzels. XRPzels, we had the Pico entry there earlier this week. Was it this week? That was Tuesday. It feels so long ago. That was only 3 days ago. 3 days ago, our patience was rewarded on XRP. While everyone was longing the top, we were looking for a retracement to $1.96. You can go back, check our lives. This was here. It was sitting there. Didn't look like it was going to fill. It did fill. Nice reaction from our entry here. Boom. I like this. So on low time frames, rejected from 225, filled. Look at this nice V-shaped recovery into a higher high. Back tested that local resistance. Now I don't know what it's doing now. What is this? Not much. Not much actually. What is it doing now? Let's look. Let's go to like the 4 hour. Okay. Okay. Actually, I like this now. Here's what I think. I think 225 may be tested again. We'll see what happens. We'll see if Bitcoin comes on down to fill this. If we get the rally, we're looking, if you were here earlier, I'm looking for 104 over the weekend, maybe even as early as today. But if that doesn't pan out, you might get a shot at 225. But I think XRP is looking to head back to 260. 250 at the minimum, but 260. I think it is going to paint something like this. There you go. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline at 260. Let's flip this over. What do you think? What do you think about them apples? Right there. Meaning you may get a long at 225. I could place an order, place a thing here, but yeah, I don't know. There we go. Let's go a little higher time frame here. You see the same thing. Whoo, look at this playing out down here on our oscillators on the 12-hour. Some will you, won't you, back and forth, building up energy. I like that. Daily's still in pretty solid condition. Pretty solid condition, actually. Surprising. This really did not retrace much. For being directly under its all-time high, this barely flinched. In the realm of things, this barely flinched. Yeah, it was down 32% from the high, but it's like nothing. It's very little. 240. Yeah, dude, the monthly is still sitting at 23% gain. I think XRP could have more upside into the end of the year, and that is not a lot of time left, is it? Can we check ADA for you, Seth? That we can. I appreciate the super chats, guys. Chris wants to look at Arrow. Doge to $1 this cycle. What's up, 808 Hawk? How you doing, bro? I think so. I think Doge is going to multiple dollars this cycle. What's up, Sticks? I thought you were subscribed, Sticks. All right, fair enough. Hayden Randolph, what's up, brother? Lawrence, try. I see you, boys. Keep subscribing. Join our fam. Let's see if we can get to 143,000 wonderful subscribers today. We got ADA. I know people want to. You were just asking about ADA. Arrow. I think I closed Arrow. Let's do. We got to do ONDO. Let me just pull up some charts. Dude, I am getting this sticky keyboard thing is getting very annoying. Extremely annoying. See if I can power through some here. We're just gonna kind of sort through some. I guess not. Maybe we won't. The fuck, trading view. Come on. The hell is this? What is this, trading view? What's happening? Why can't I search anything? Is trading view down for you guys? Like, what the hell? Cool. Cool. Did it just... There it is. It disconnected. I don't know. It literally was disconnected. I have to go to a chart for this, yeah. I'm just going to pull them up. We're going to just pull up some of these charts people wanted to look at. Not going to do any in-depth analyses unless I see something juicy. Ooh. Ooh. Bonk long filled, baby. Let's go. I bet it filled 2 days ago. We didn't even check in on this. 3 days ago. 375. That's not looking bad. That is not bad. Ooh, all right, I got to put alerts on this. I missed it. I didn't even know our bonk long filled. Let's roll. We're going to do 88 next. Don't worry, bro. Just going to look through some of these quick. Arrow. Retest of all-time high, higher low. Really back to there. You got to see this low hold again. $2. I mean, maybe. If you want to be really aggressive with it, maybe. I don't really like that trade. I think you're buying. I think you're longing too high up on Arrow at 2. But there you go. I mean, basically making a bet that is going to move from $2. I still like 140. If you want to be real aggressive, boom, there you go. Up to $7. Get that 250% up there. Good luck. What else for the other, like, I just like look at them requests. Dog. Here's Dog. Well, then we'll go to Doge. Dog. Hanging out under a penny. Our long slapped. Again, dude. This week has been maybe the most successful for us in the terms of longs. Playing out, hitting, taking profit. It has been wild. Doge, dude, Doge actually doing a little breakdown here, maybe. Doge maybe breaking down a little bit. Maybe that does line up with the whole Bitcoin moving to 120K this month. Alts take a beating. Bitcoin moving up. Like, this doesn't, that actually, I don't like those candle closes recently. Closing below trend, rejecting. If that's the case, I mean, you guys know, you know what's coming. Major support test. Let me put another alert. All right, go to ADA, then I'll do ONDO. So ADA, dude, again, like every single chart we have entries on this week. ADA from 96 cents. Let's go. Do not really like this rejection at 114 though. Ooh, oscillator's looking good. VWAP hitting that zero line. Momentum so close to catching. We got on the 12-hour. I think ADA is going to go back to $1. I mean, it's at $1.10, so it's not a huge move down. It's not like really even that. That's a 10% move. That's kind of actually bigger than I thought. I think the low is in though. I think for ADA the low is in for right now. Probably for the month. I don't love though how it's like caught here again at 114. You can see support because this was the breakout, man. You took resistance. There wasn't resistance here, but looks like buyers from recently took profit here, pushed price back down. Because after 114, you were pretty cleared into the two somethings. Here's what I don't love. You broke out and then you tested 114. That's fine. That was your resistance. You tested that support. You lost it. And then when you came back up, it looks like you might be rejecting it again. I can see a move back to $1, which could be good news for you. Could get an entry, get a good entry again. But I kind of think the low is in. I don't think it's going to trade below December, whatever. What is this? December 10th, 9th? I think it might look something like this. Maybe flag out more. Maybe this will end up just looking like one big flag. I ordered another keyboard, don't worry. Oh, I'm so trolled by it. There you go. Maybe this will just be one big flag by the end of it. Right in between $1 and $1.14. I think ADA is okay though. I wouldn't worry about ADA too much. Bitcoin creeping on down to our in-stream target. Wouldn't mind turning my mic up a little. Pedros Lucas. Is anyone having trouble hearing it? Should be at good volume. Turn the music down a little. Should be at a good volume. What's up, Zabit? How you doing, my friend? Natalia Satori. How are you? Natalia. I butchered your name. It's okay. What's up, Ronald Grump? Not a good place for a new trade? Yeah. I mean, I agree. A lot of the good entries, man, were earlier this week. We sniped them. We had limit orders sitting for like weeks on some occasions. We sniped them. Well, Brett. We're going to do ONDO next, though, probably. Looked at XRP. Looked at ADA. Waiting for Bitcoin to fill. Pendle. Tron. Yeah, pull up Tron. You're right. Pull up Tron. Riggedy wrecked. So, really quick here on Tron. 31 cents was the all-time high on many exchanges. Someone asked, where could you enter Tron? And I said, honestly, there is nothing here. There's no good entry here. This was like back here. There's no good entry here. The only thing we could even like entertain would be 31 cents. I said, this is a knife. I wouldn't take this trade. And of course, boom, we got a little knife through, right? Learning lesson. I guess I could leave him there, but I'm going to remove him. 31 cents. So still in play, though. You can see multiple dailies finding support there before breaking down. Then back testing it here. 31 cents is actually pretty critical. Pretty critical. Broke all-time high. Where are you going, Tron? Waiting for the corn, probably. Where could we look, though? hit 25 cents. This is the problem. This move was so powerful and so energetic and so one-sided that it's still a knife. Like, even with this low, it is still just a knife. We can use our fib tool, but I don't even really like that, right? I think 25 cents, like down here, 22 to 25 is like where you might look. Not going to be a good entry on this. I have talked about Tron a lot over the last few years, and I hate to say it, but like the entry was at literally any time over the last 1,000, 1,500, maybe even 2,000 days, 1,700 days. Like, that was the entry. This thing just continuously put in higher lows forever. Trying to jump in it here, the risk to reward I don't think is great. I just do not think it is the best risk to reward. Honestly, even trying to gun it here at like 25 to 22 cents is still buying very much up and still very much buying a knife. Personally, I would not touch Tron unless I see 22.5 cents. Still, I'm not really planning on touching it. But that is your last untested resistance before the breakout. I mean, that could happen right here. I didn't plan on taking that long on Tron. At the barest of bare minimums, man, I don't know, 25 cents. Like, wait for 25. 25 is a nice number. Where's Brett at? Brett never filled us like a bitch. Never filled us on our most recent trade. However, we still have some longs open. Nope, this one closed. Nice. I didn't even notice. 171%. I will say this was placed back in June. It took a long time. Position from 8 cents is still open, targeting 82 cents. Very ambitious. Maybe too ambitious. But still open. Let's see. We placed this one closer to price. Has not filled. 15.6. That still looks like it'll fill, though. I'm not loving the Brett chart. Not loving this. We're going to look at ONDO. Pendle, Jupe, Rune, GALA. We looked at GALA. Looked at GALA earlier. We've looked at GALA every day. ONDO filled from $1.50. Beautiful back test of that previous all-time high. Money in the bank, man. Filled and ran. Wicked through. As high as 31% up from our entry. I'm still looking for $3 on ONDO. It's going to be 100% gain from the $1.50 entry. Let's see. That's not bad either. Local fib extension. Targeting right up in there, 287. Fiend in again for nicotine. Jesus Christ. When does it end? It's been 20 days. Like, it's still like, it's when I'm streaming, when I'm about an hour in. For some reason, I start fiending for my vape. This is the zone I would be looking for our entry for take profits. $2.50 and $3. Beautiful. Beautiful trade on ONDO. Congrats to anybody who got in at 150. That's a play. That's a play to be proud of. Let me see. JASMY being a dig. Never filled us. Off by just a fraction. A hair. Probably going to go stop out that short now. BNB looking beast as always. Back to 720. Back to our initial entry. From Monday, though, now up 11% from 650. I think that's a solid entry if you got in there. I think BNB is heading to $1,000. I don't want to say by the end of the month, but certainly, certainly in this cycle, I would be so hard-pressed to imagine BNB not hitting $1,000 a cycle. Bitcoin swinging low here, robbing us of that entry. FTM dollar still good, still in play, still aiming for higher. I don't see any issues here with this. No changes, no notes. Ethereum, the theoretical short at 4K still unfilled. I still don't love this chart, man. I don't like how Ethereum retested that low. I need to see a higher high. That's why this hypothetical short is there. If Ethereum does not break a high there, what is it painting? Painting head and shoulders. I'm not calling for this on Ethereum yet, but you need to stop this short out. Absolutely need to stop it out. You need to trade above 4,100. If you don't, you just look real bad. You look real bad. This looks very toppy if it doesn't break 4,100. BTC USD dominance. Bouncing around here. Bouncing around into this monthly close. Into this weekly close. First sign of weakness. I mean, there is a lower high again, rejecting from previous support. If Bitcoin dominance loses 54%, it is alt season. Could be very close. Whoa, what is this? What am I even looking at? Just stumbled into like a secret chart. That's a good way to look at total 3. Total 3, interesting. I didn't even know this. Total 3 hit all-time high last week, rejected. Wow, it's hella close to going back though. Take that trend line. That's spot on. What's up, boys? Yeah, I've been in the chart zone. Give me a little bit. Give me a little bit. I'm getting back out. Let me snap myself out here. PEPE trade still at entry. Actually at entry almost for the Bitcoin pair and the dollar pair. $233. Wow, you got another shot at it, huh? Still looking for higher on PEPE. Turbo. Filled. Profit taken. Looking for some kind of re-entry. I think 1 cent is the play. You might be a little more aggressive. Look for that 1.11 cents daily resistance. I don't know. I'd prefer 1. That's still a higher low. That actually filled and is done. Let's see if this looks like 1.1. Maybe. All right, back to the corn. Back to the chat. Let me see what you guys are talking about. I'm taking a little break from charts, guys. So, I mean, you can go ahead and spam the tickers you want, but I'm not looking at them. Just letting you know. Just letting you know. I'm taking a break. We just did like 20 charts in a row. Need a second. Say something other than tickers. There you go. Maybe you can vote in the poll here. Maybe if you're new, 0 to 6 months, 6 months to a year. If you're one of these 25% of this chat, why don't you just say hello? Introduce yourself. How you doing, Hisoka? Maro Hisoka. That's the name from an anime I've seen. Ong Kant, what's up, man? I'm Tadiku. Thanks for the $5. Can we look at SWFTC chart? What is that? Maybe. Let's see. AG timeout. What are they saying? Oh, spamming some kind of contract. Yeah. Can we do Lingo, Tom? What's up, George? I don't know. Lingo, the chart. Mr. MYO. Tom, thanks for never shilling. You've been live on YouTube for 6 years in June. So 5.5. Never shilled. Never taken $1. Never taken a penny. Never taken a Satoshi to shill you guys any projects, any charts, any coins. Nothing. Integrity, baby. I want you to succeed. Take 2 seconds to hit that like button and subscribe. I agree. Something other than tickers. Thank you, Ronald. See any good movies lately? What did I see recently? I watched the new Beetlejuice. I don't know how new that was in October. I think that's the most recent movie. It's alright. That's alright. I want to see Wolverine and Deadpool, though. I haven't seen that yet. I need a breather. That's right, boys. Thank you, Steve-O. Just found this channel, and you're glad you did, Aaron. Aaron, you have no idea, my friend. Just joining us now. Welcome. This channel, if you're new, especially, this channel is what? I made this channel because there was no content in crypto 5, almost 6 years ago that I thought was good and helpful. It was all just shills and scams. Still mostly just shills and scams. But this is the content I wanted, so I made it. We did it. Crypto Dave should be proud of what I built. Hell yeah, my friend. Hells yeah, my friend. Hella proud. I'm very proud of this course that is going to be launching. I mean, technically it's launched, but it's going to be launching like probably Monday next week. Hella proud. This is going to be our crown jewel. We've made free content. We'll continue to make free content. But it's time. It's time we had our own like paid group course thing. People want it. They demand it. We make it. We're going to make it the best one. wap.com/crown-crypto if you want to check it out. Toncoin, Litecoin, Pepe. Your two Pepe charts, USDT and US... What? Wait, what? Yeah, you're right, but what happened? This one was BTC. Good point. But what? What? This was Pepe US. Right? It wasn't on these exchanges. Huh, I might have to figure that out. That's a good point. I swear this used to be Pepe BTC. We'll look into it another time. Not important. Bitcoin may be coming down to fill this long right now, baby. Let's go. This is a scalping long for anyone tuned in. This is not necessarily a long held position. The stop loss on this, probably a little too generous. That being said, probably a little too generous there. Let's see how this plays, though. Let's go. Fill us, baby. What time is it? 2:30. Flickers, tickers. That's right. That's right. How long have we been live? I don't even know. By the way, Crypto Dave, I appreciate you, man. Appreciate that super chat. How much percent is that TP on this little scalpy? This little scalpy. 1.4. Drawdown 0.5, 1.4% upside or take profit. Just a scalp. Not a like, I don't know, long-term position. Just something for the boys on Friday. Love that Near is already fully diluted. Near. We looked at Tron. Why are people looking at Tron? We already looked at Tron. Weird. Nobody ever asks for Tron. Why are they asking for Tron today? Justin Sun, why have you never messaged me? Justin Sun, follow me on Twitter. What's up, Schmeedy, my boy? There he is. Pickle. He's back. 1 hour, 20 minutes. Thank you. What's after Bitcoin? Rahul, what do you mean by that, my friend? What do you mean, what's after it? What's up, Janeth G? How you doing? Luik Forex. What's up, Luik? Exist Call. How are you? Kind of difficult names there, but welcome to the fam, guys. You all should join the Discord if you're new. Make sure you subscribe as well. Hit the like button. Enable notifications. It's W. Here we go. So I'm 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. Bib Tool. 1618. Boom, right here. Just under 15 cents. Just so happens to be the high from December 4th on whatever this is. Measured move, 3 cents. Currently back testing. Interesting. There might be a trade here. Hmm. 66%. This one's gonna be a little too ambitious, I think. But that 66%, I can see that playing. This is not a bad chart though. Like, look, you've reached up to the 1618. You moved back to the previous resistance, and now what are you doing? You look like you're flagging. This looks like it's flagging out. Break to the upside. I think 3 cents could be in its future if it can get past 15 or 1.5, not 3. Still a 4-1. There you go. See multiple plays there. Appreciate your $2 there. $5 there, Mr. Tadiku. Getting swerved on our entry. It happens. What's up, MD Farhad Hosan? How are you, my friend? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. 142,800 subscribers. A beautiful number indeed. MST going to be added to 𝐂𝐴. Is MSTR still just where it was? Vet, baby Doge. No need to spam, bro. Spamming isn't going to get you too on. Yeah, MicroStrategy is still flagging. I mean, I think this is going right back to its highs. Maybe Q1. Q1 2025. Buy trap in Bitcoin. I don't know, man. A buy trap. I mean, it could be. This is what I think is happening. This is what I think is happening. Is there a spam coin? Probably. Most of these coins are spam coins. What do you think of Tau? What's up, Spoon? EOS. See, I told you. Nice coin with low market cap. Oh, well. Yeah, guys, it's never against these coins. Like, I don't know what the hell these coins are. You guys want me to look at? Like, I've never looked at them. I don't know what they are. You just can't look at all of them, right? We don't have enough time. I don't have enough energy. It's never, like, personal. Vet, just right where it should be. This is a little, I see actually something a little concerning. So not just about Vet, but this is kind of concerning about a lot of alts. They've painted this, which is they've moved up to resistance. They kind of flagged out, broke to the downside, like 88 comes to mind. Broke to the downside and then seemingly back tested that support as resistance. Like, I could see them dumping again. I could see them legging down again. Not just Vet, just overall in the space. I've noticed that on a lot of the charts today, but Vet is where it's supposed to be. 5-cent entry, done and done. Looking to take it back to 8 cents. We'll see what happens there. JASMY isn't doing much. Looks exactly like Tron. Exactly. Pat, it looks like Tron. It looks like 88. It looks like so many of these charts. It's a little concerning. See what I mean? Good eye, Pat. You're right. It's like they hit highs. They had support briefly. They broke that support. They back tested it like right now over the last day or two. And I haven't seen them break. I haven't seen like any of these charts break it, right? ADA is like similar, a little different, but still the same thing. $1.14 support fall, didn't break through, didn't make it through that previous support. Maybe even Solana and that similar kind of thing. I don't know. It's not as clean though. It's not as clean of a chart. We getting filled? Let's go. Did I do Litecoin? I haven't done Litecoin. Guys, we've done a lot of charts. We can't do all of them. We can't do every single one you guys want to do. I'm sorry, bros. Check Solana Lloyd. We already did. Same thing. Same thing for Litecoin. You had these moves up. You found some kind of support. You broke them. Boom. Right back there. We haven't seen any of them do this. That's what's interesting. Like, you know what I mean? Almost all of them have gone back and now, like maybe they all do, maybe they're flagging, but for now they aren't. They are not past the local support. It's a little concerning. A little concerning for alts specifically. Bitcoin does not seem to be sharing that. Bitcoin on its own vibe right now. Happy Friday, my friends. Sui and Ondo cooking? Yeah, Ondo's hella cooking, bro. Hella cooking. Hella cooking. Oh, shit. Blah. Blah. Mark O'Neill, how you doing, my friend? Welcome. Welcome, Mark O'Neill. Good to have you. Mark O'Neill, the man. Let's see. If you're not in our Discord, you should be. Discord.gg/TomCrown. Link is pinned to the top of the chat in the video description. If you want to get into our exclusive trading, private trading group in the Discord, Just sign up with any of the partners in the video description below. May I suggest BYDFI, our newest exchange partner. No KYC, tons of pairs. I think they just launched, or they're about to launch, like meme, not meme coin, but like DEX wallet copy trading. It's going to be interesting. They're really working hard to add features. They have big deposit bonuses, and of course, it helps support the stream. It's an affiliate link, and you'll get into our private, exclusive trading group in the Discord. That's right. We are live here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but often much more than that at 1 p.m. East. I appreciate everybody who tunes in, week out. You guys are the G's. Shout out 𝐒𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭, our sponsor. #1 indicator company in the wide world. Love them. They're the best. How did I find this entry in Bitcoin Facts? I mean, that was like a lot of the episode already, my friend. We do have 𝐶HPOW next week. 𝐶HPOW, Wednesday, the 18th. Don't miss it. It's going to be epic. I had to miss the last one because I was in Dubai. But you ain't going to miss the next one. It's going to be a hella good time. It's already scheduled. It's already there. Here it comes. We're getting filled, baby. Getting filled. That's what she said. Giggity, giggity, goo. Here we go. Here we go. Get it. Get it. Not even $100 off now. Don't you skunk us. Don't you do it. Investing in Bitcoin means you don't have to work. Well, eventually, Zhao. Certainly not right away. It's a good time to enter alts. I don't know, dude. You don't want to get filled, Kevin? Too bad, buddy. Open up. Amen, yes. BYDFI is no KYC. Where's your stop loss for that scalp? Right here, bro. It's like 100.6. Please, I can already tell by your energy. Please do not blindly copy my trades. It will not go well for you. I do not win every trade, even though we are relatively on fire this week. I do lose trades. I am human. I'd say I'm a good trader. One of the best, but not the best. Not the best in the world. But even the best in the world loses trades. Blindly copying is a great way to get wrecked. Near protocol. Near mother trucking protocol, says Andrew. Yeah, I'll pull up Near. What is Near doing? You do credit card deposits? I have no idea. Smoking woken, not a clue. It sounds like a terrible idea in of itself. There you go, Andrew. I don't know. Near looks all right. Those wicks are nice. Back to 611, bounce, rejected, dude. It's like every other chart. You hit a high, hit a low, and now you're at a lower high, and you kind of are in indecision now. Will Bitcoin go to 200K? I think so. I believe so. Whether it's now, I don't know. I think it could this cycle. You went debit card, not on credit. Oh, I have no idea, man. With no KYC exchanges, I always deposit just via like Tether or Bitcoin or Coin. I only do the bank on and off ramp on like Coinbase and Kraken. What's up, remix songs? You know what, boys? Here's what we're going to do. Sign up with the links in the video description below. Join us in the Discord. Get your access. Check out the course that's coming. wap.com/crowncrypto. Oh, no. No, that link didn't work the whole time. You have it pinned. What the? Hey, Crown Crypto? What did I do? That's the wrong link, and I've been putting the wrong link out the entire time. Is it the wrong link? Wait a minute. What? It's giving me error 404. What is happening? This is bugging out, dude. Bugging. bugging. Here we go. Trading. Did we change the URL? Either way, coming out soon. Very soon, probably Monday. We are offering our very first course for beginners, intermediates. There we go. No, that's the right link. For some reason, it didn't work. Here we go. It'll be launching on Monday, almost certainly. You can sign up for early bird access at a cheaper price. If you want the advanced trading, it's going to come with exclusive live streams, analysis, all kinds of goodies. That's going to be it for today, fam. I love you guys. We'll be live Monday at the latest, if not over the weekend. I'm still bullish. I'm still looking for 104K, maybe even today. Into the weekend, it's coming. It's inevitable. More upside coming for this year. Stay bullish, everyone. I'll see you in the Discord. I love y'all. A crown out.